Alright mga kabaro, dito tayo sa ayan kinuha namin mga bus saka heavy equipment urban. May helicopter tayo dyan, ayan, dalawa yung helicopter natin dito. Yan ang kuha ng Durban. Dito tayo sa Durban ngayon. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Umaga nakatikit tayo. Alright, passenger terminal kabila. Alright mga kabaro, good morning sa inyong lahat. Dito tayo sa Durban. Okay, kaya service yan ng piloto, helicopter. Kaya ng kanilang city, pinaka city nila dito sa Durban, South Africa. Alright mga kabaro, good morning sa inyong lahat. Dito tayo sa Durban. Pagkatapos natin dito sa Durban, Australia na tayo. Tayo ay uuwi na sa Australia. Uwi tayo sa Melbourne. Alright mga kabaro, matatapos na ang ating kontrata. Hanggang sa muli, see you in the Philippines. Alright mga kabaro, meron tayong pork loin. I-roast natin yung pork loin. Slicing natin.
So Vino, let's take it back a bit for people that don't know your story. You started taking photos using your phone that was not even the best quality. How did you know that photography was your thing? Was it when you had that phone?
It all comes down to really staying with people who believe in you. Because remember, you take photos with the phone, the quality is not that good. And if you have people who constantly tell you that it's work, it's beautiful, it's positivity. It keeps you going.
Yeah.
It gave me that motivation to say that maybe there's something positive about this thing that I'm trying to do. Today I can look there and
do you remember that first photo that you took, and if you compare it to the first photo maybe that you took of players in the PSL?
The first photo, I was actually speaking to the player last week. I was showing him the photo that I took with the phone. Actually, I sent it to him via the other social media, Facebook, and then I just downloaded it, went to his inbox and checked. I was like, how did you even say this was beautiful compared to the current photo that I've just been taken, which is like high resolution, but just because then in 2015 the guy lived, then I'm working around people who believe in me. That's a hard to say.
Vino, you also post photos of young kids that you started snapping ekasi, right? And some of them that are actually playing in the big leagues right now. Can you give us some examples of kids that you spotted ekasi, you started taking photos, and here we are today, they're a big name in our football?
Hey, the number keeping improving almost every month, every year. But I was fortunate enough to give the exposure. We were already playing some sort of excellence, but nobody knew about it. So through the iSport, we managed to get videos, managed to get photos, and start to work to say, South Africa, this is the ball.
And why? So, why do you think your focus and interest is purely on Kasi football, even though now we have access to the top flight league?
I start to maintain the balance between amateur football and professional sports. But literally little exposure for those in the township. And me myself coming from the township, I know the struggle of getting exposed to the world coming from a country. So I'm trying my best, to take the same cameras that I'm using, openly Stadium, and take them to opportunities where the raw talent is. So the balance is what I keep me saying. Like I keep going to it.
Vino Snap, continue doing what we call on social media the Lord's work, because we really need it. We need those Kasi kids to get a bit of exposure. Thank you so much and congratulations on that nomination once again. Follow him at Snap_Vino on social media to see some of the work that he has done. And that's the of Kasi to the world. Part 2 coming up at 5:30.
Alright.
With One Life Insurance.
Kain na tayo. Meron tayong broccoli, calderetang mutong at ham, potong smoke. Alright. Wow, ito masarap oh. Ang hang. Alright mga kabaro, meron tayong pang merienda o kuha ng dulce. Halan. O, kaya kayo itong rolls. Mango rolls. Ang ating ginawa ngayon na merienda para sa aking mga kabaro. Eto, merienda kayo. Alright. Merienda kayo ng mango rolls. Mga kabaro, mayroon tayong crispy ulo o pulutan natin, pulutan. Wow, sarap pambulutan, crispy ulo, sunog na iba. Alright, good morning mga kabaro. Nagluto tayo ng siopaw. Oh, lalaki ng ating siopaw. Ang breakfast natin, ito pa, tuna, corned beef, fried egg, meron tayong noodles, meron pa tayo sausage at saka torta. Alright, meron tayong pork siopaw, sarap. Lunch, mussel, calderetang ribs, escabeche at munggo, balanchang, munggunisa, fried rice, at masanas natin, konting salad. Wala na tayong gulay mga kabaro. Kain na tayo ng lunch. Ito escabeche, ito ribs, pork ribs, caldereta, ito mussel, tapos yun munggo, tapos yun green peas, ito balanchang. To masarap to, ito maanghang beef balanchang, sili yan. Ito naman chicken balanchang. Yan. Alright, ito mga kabaro, yung mga tatlong palisahan sa paggawa ng lumpia. Yung tatlo, contest yan, contest. Kanya-kanyang style, no?
May duck, may juice.
Eh, isa mo, malaki ito, malaki. Parang malaki yan to. Malaki ang konto.
Malaki yan yan. Lumpia, pampamilya ba?
Pampamilya yun.
Pang-negosyo.
Alright mga kabaro, ito ang ating pasalubong. Dami. Ang bigat nito. Problema to sa bagahe. T-shirt na chocolate pa, Quality Street, Milka, Water Sport, tapos Victoria's Secret, tapos Romy chocolate, Snickers, iba-ibang klaseng chocolate yan, tapos black chocolate, tapos ito yung 100%, ito favorite ko, 100% na cocoa chocolate, tapos Marabou chocolate, yan, tapos Air Nike at saka Puma, sa dalawang teddy bear at saka tatlong Quality Street. Yan, may salamin pa tayo. Alright, ito ang ating pasalubong ngayong pag-uwi. Alright, kain kayo ng chocolate, pili na kayo. lunch. Oh, grabe. Okay. Ayan ang partner ko kasi baka, tuna, pork. Alright mga kabaro, kain kayo ng siopaw. Ito ang siopaw na niluto ni Mayor. Okay, kain kayo ng alright mga kabaro, meron tayong cashew nut na cake. Ito ang ginawa natin pang merienda, pang dessert nila o merienda man. O sige, kain kayo mga kabaro. Ito ang ating dessert ngayon, cake na cashew nut. Alright. Alright. Ito tayong pizza. Kain kayo ng pizza. Ito tayo ng pizza. Alright. Laan natin ng temperature. Tapos gawin natin siyang 15 minutes. So alright, ayan ang ating pizza. At meron tayong fried chicken. Alright, fried chicken. Ayan, titip-fryer natin ang ating fried chicken. Alright, ito po na yung pizza. Alright mga kabaro, pulutan o roast pork head ang ating pulutan mamaya. Alright, pangpulutan. Kain kayo, tagay tayo. Cheers mga kabaro. Alright mga kabaro, gawa na naman tayo ng cake, birthday cake ni Chief Engineer. Eto, kakbita na naman natin yung ating walang katapusang bulaklak, yung ating reindeer, walang katapusang. Alright. Alright mga kabaro, happy birthday Chief Engineer Maung Maung. Alright. Alright. Happy birthday Chief Engineer Maung Maung ng Walay News. Alright, tapos ito ang ating pampulutan. Okay mga kabaro, ito na yung ating handa sa birthday ni Chief Engineer. Okay. Luto na, Romy. Isa na.
Ano luto? Isa na?
Oo, isa na. Alright. Alright, tinira kagad. Oh, ito na. Bust kagad ang ulo. Ay, sinabakan kagad ang ulo ng ating crispy ulo. Mga kabaro, lahat. Oh. Alright. Ayan. Dito, nag-ihaw-ihaw na sila. Ayan ang kanilang iniihaw. Nagkakagulo sa pag-iihaw. Oh, alright. Ito, mga malalakas kumain. Kahit sobra lamig. Nagkakain ako na yan. Ayan. Ubus kagad ang ating crispy ulo. Alright mga kabaro, ito yung ating ating handa. Yan ang ating handa ngayon, birthday ni Chief Engineer. Yan ang may birthday, si Chief Engineer. Siya ang may birthday ngayon. Alright, talaga sinisimot yung crispy ulo. Talagang binabanat Stop. Okay.
Very good. I will put here, okay?
Yeah.
That's only cut.
Cannot.
Only cut.
Only cut. Never mind.
With the knife.
Never. Cut.
Wait. Okay.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow, kakanta.